Exploring TechieHug Asset Management Apps. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of TechieHug Asset Management Apps. These incredible tools can revolutionize the way you manage your business assets. The TechieHug Asset Management Apps provide a suite of tools to streamline your asset management process. From tracking assets to generating detailed reports, these apps have got you covered. The Assets app allows you to keep a real-time inventory of all your assets, from equipment to vehicles. Easily track their location, condition, and maintenance history in one convenient place. The Tickets app enables you to create and manage service tickets for maintenance requests, repairs, or any other issues related to your assets. Say goodbye to manual paper trails and hello to a streamlined ticketing system. With the Survey app, collect valuable feedback from employees or customers about the usability and performance of your assets. Use this data to make informed decisions and improve your asset management strategy. The Reports app generates detailed analytics and insights based on the data collected from the other apps. Track key performance indicators, monitor trends, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your asset management processes. Empower yourself to make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and reduce operational costs with the TechieHug Asset Management Apps. Designed with mobile compatibility in mind, you can access and manage your assets on the go. Stay connected and in control of your assets wherever you are. The apps are equipped with robust security features to protect your data and ensure privacy. Your asset information is safe, confidential, and accessible only to authorized users with proper credentials. Leverage advanced analytics to track performance metrics, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Optimize your asset management strategy and achieve your business goals. The TechieHug Asset Management Apps are a game-changer for businesses looking to enhance their asset management processes. Don't miss out on the opportunity to optimize your asset management strategy and drive business growth. Thank you for watching.